Welcome to the top best. The best whiteboard is probably one of the most versatile tools for brainstorming, teaching, and organizing, transforming blank spaces into dynamic hubs of creativity and productivity, making it an indispensable asset for students, professionals, and families alike seeking to visualize ideas and streamline their daily tasks with unparalleled clarity and efficiency. Number 5. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Whiteboard 18 by 12 inches. Introducing the VIZ-PRO Magnetic Whiteboard, a versatile tool for your home, school, or office. This board offers a smooth writing surface and comes with all the accessories you need to get started. Easily set up your whiteboard horizontally or vertically to perfectly fit any space. Customize its orientation to suit your specific needs and preferences. This board is ideal for a wide range of uses, from classrooms and offices to kitchens and dorm rooms. It's perfect for learning, presentations, drawing, and keeping track of lists without wasting paper. Your purchase includes the magnetic whiteboard, fixing kits, a pen tray, an eraser, 2 markers, and 4 magnets. All accessories are included to enhance your experience. We are here to help with any questions you may have about your new whiteboard. Please feel free to contact us via email, and we'll gladly assist you in resolving any issues. What we like. This compact whiteboard is perfect for small spaces and comes with everything you need to get started. If you need a basic board for quick notes or planning, this is a great option. If you like having all your accessories included, you should consider this. What people say. The whiteboard is very smooth and easy to erase. The magnetic feature is strong and holds papers well. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation simple. Number 4. Mr. Pen 14x11 Dry Erase Board. Introducing a stylish 14 by 11 inch dry erase board. It comes in a refreshing mint green frame, adding a pop of color to any space. This package includes everything you need for quick setup. You get a magnetic steel surface, a black dry erase marker, and double-sided tape for easy installation on any clean surface without drilling. It offers a durable, high-quality writing surface perfect for planning and organizing daily tasks. This eco-friendly option can be reused multiple times, resulting in zero waste. With its sleek mint green frame, it fits seamlessly into modern offices or schools. It's the perfect canvas for jotting down reminders, thoughts, or ideas. The premium magnetic steel surface ensures your notes wipe off quickly and easily. Enjoy a clean slate every time with no ghosting or streaking left behind. The included black dry erase marker is ergonomically designed for comfortable use by both adults and children. It's ideal for planning your day or for educational drawings. What we like. Add a pop of color and modern style to your workspace with this magnetic dry erase board. If you're looking for a board that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing, this is the one. If you appreciate a clean, ghost-free writing surface and easy mounting without drilling, you should choose this. What people say. The whiteboard surface is smooth and easy to write on. The magnetic feature is very convenient for attaching notes and papers. It's lightweight and easy to hang on the wall. Number 3. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard 36 by 24 Black. Introducing the VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard, a versatile tool for your home, school, or office. Its smooth writing surface makes it perfect for a variety of uses. Experience a high-quality writing surface that is both smooth and durable. It's designed for easy dry wiping, ensuring a clean slate every time. This board features a sleek, anti-scratch black aluminum frame with protective ABS corners. It's built to last and complements any decor. Customize its placement to perfectly suit your needs. You can easily mount it either horizontally or vertically, adapting to any space. Everything you need is included: the magnetic whiteboard, fixing kits, and a detachable pen tray. Get started right away without any hassle. From classrooms and offices to kitchens and dorm rooms, this board is ideal for presentations, learning, drawing, and keeping track of lists without wasting paper. What we like. This is a substantial whiteboard designed for frequent use in busy environments. If you need a reliable and durable surface for presentations, teaching, or office planning, this is an excellent choice. If you prioritize a smooth, scratch-resistant writing area and a sturdy frame, you should consider this. What people say. The whiteboard surface is smooth and easy to clean, making it great for daily use. It's lightweight and easy to hang on the wall, which was a big plus for me. The included markers and eraser are a nice bonus and work well with the board. Number 2. VIZ-PRO Double-Sided Magnetic Mobile Whiteboard 48 by 36. Introducing the VIZ-PRO Double-Sided Magnetic Mobile Whiteboard, a versatile tool designed to enhance your presentations, teaching, and training sessions. Its double-sided functionality offers ample writing space for maximum efficiency. Experience a smooth and durable magnetic writing surface that is easy to dry wipe with any dry erase marker. The robust construction ensures stability, making it a reliable companion for your daily tasks. Effortlessly adjust the writing angle with the 360-degree rotation feature. Simply loosen the handles, set your desired angle, and tighten them to lock it securely in place for comfortable use. Move this whiteboard with ease thanks to its 4 durable, 360-degree rotating caster wheels. 2 of these wheels are lockable, providing stability and preventing unwanted movement during use. Crafted with an anti-scratch silver-finished aluminum frame and stand, this whiteboard is built to last. Assembly is straightforward with the included instructions and tools. This mobile whiteboard comes complete with a detachable marker tray and 2 hooks, offering convenient storage for your writing essentials and accessories. What we like? Maximize your presentation and collaboration space with this large, double-sided mobile whiteboard. If you need flexibility to move your ideas between rooms or present from different angles, this is ideal. If you're a teacher, trainer, or presenter who values mobility and the ability to switch between 2 writing surfaces easily, you should choose this. What people say. The whiteboard surface is very smooth and easy to clean, making it ideal for frequent use. The included markers and eraser are of good quality and work well with the board. The magnetic feature is strong and holds documents securely, which is very convenient for organizing notes and reminders. Number 1. Quartet Desktop Glass Whiteboard GDE 119. This whiteboard offers flexible use. You can lay it flat for comfortable writing or prop it upright for better visibility on your desk. Elevate your workspace with its premium glass surface. The sleek design adds a modern touch that complements any decor. The non-absorbent glass ensures a clean surface every time you write, erase, and rewrite. It resists stains and ghosting for clear communication. Keep papers and documents handy with the removable clip. It also offers a convenient spot to store your marker. This package includes the desktop glass easel, a removable clip, and a dry erase marker. Enhance your experience with Quartet glass board accessories, sold separately. What we like? Elevate your desk with this sleek, premium glass dry erase board. If you want a stylish and durable surface for quick notes and to-do lists at your workspace, this is a fantastic option. If you appreciate a stain and ghost-resistant writing experience and a modern aesthetic, you should consider this. What people say. The whiteboard surface is smooth and easy to write on, and the markers erase cleanly without leaving any residue. The included mounting hardware makes installation a breeze, and the board stays securely on the wall. The minimalist design blends well with any decor, and the slim profile doesn't take up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.